Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today we are going to look at this 80s or 90s Seiko quartz watch with a rectangular case, as you can see, maybe even a square case, and this very beautiful integrated bracelet. As you can see, it is already integrated within the case, so you cannot interchange it, but nonetheless it is very beautiful. It has very few signs of aging or scratches. It is in very nice condition. As you can see, it bends very easily. We have, I believe, the signed buckle by Seiko. It should be right here, as you can see, signed by Seiko. This one might also be gold plated or gold filled, but not quite sure about that. Here we can see Seiko, the model, and also the serial number. This is a very nice overall gold tone piece. As you can see, we have the gold tone hour markers, the gold tone watch hands, and the gold tone case and crown. Also, you can see Seiko quartz written at 12 o'clock. Very nice piece. These are selling very well for us, so if you want to check it out, it will be on our website vintageradar.com, link in the description below. As you can see, we have a bunch of Seiko, Citizen, Bulova watches from the 80s and 90s. Very nice condition, beautiful pieces, so make sure to check them out. And also, if you want to see even more videos just like this one about watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials, and watch reviews, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.